Hello from the Devil's Tower Visitor Center. We just waited at a stoplight for way too long, but we're here and we're hungry, so we're making biscuits in our waffle maker.
It's probably one of my favorite breakfasts that we make in that.
Yeah, so I will show you how we do it. So first, turn on the inverter, then we can plug in the waffle maker. Hang on. Jeez. We'll butter her up, put some biscuits in there.
I always get to do this part because Mattea is afraid of the can.
I hate the can.
It's gonna happen.
Oh. Spread her around. And let's put a biscuit in. Just put it in. And then you gotta smush it real good. Takes about, I don't know, maybe a minute or two.
If that, yeah.
Now check it out. Ta-da!
Nice little biscuit. Ooh.
Is it sticking? No, it's beautiful. Alright, check them out. So you can open them up because they're the flaky ones and stuff them with butter. So we're going to make 4 of them. We'll store the rest in the cooler. And then we're going to boil some water in the electric tea kettle and make peppered gravy, baby. We just had a problem with the inverter. We had too much juice getting pulled from the inverter. So we're going to start the van. Because our van powers our battery bank as well as the solar. But both of them together, it's over 1,000 watts. And we only have a 1,000 watt inverter. Oops.
For now.
Yeah. Till we upgrade. Oh yeah. They're all 4 biscuit waffles. We should make a dirt bag cookbook. Would you guys buy it?
I would.
I'd buy it. There's some good recipes.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's very hot, but I'll show you a quick glimpse. Yum. Prepping the gravy, baby.
Everyone thinks you need to like put it in a skillet and like let it simmer.
Nah, you gotta be a dirt bag.
You just put it into a bowl, add boiling water like concrete until it's a desired mixture. Just slather your biscuits, and I'm totally gonna use the mixer.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh yeah. Mike had a brilliant idea. Ready? Mike had a little accident with the
gravy.
The frother that's not made for gravy. But look at this.
You put it on 3 power though, it really whips it.
And now what you do, you pretty much just like rip these apart and dip it in. I'm gonna make you guys jealous for a second. It's so good.
Man.
The trick is to peel them apart.
You gotta cut one in half, and then spread its cheeks.
Oh, who's a good girl?
Like, I like being outside.
Oh my god. So there's a stoplight to get in. And there's so many people compared to when we came in. Wow.
The tower.
There it is. That big baby.
It's pretty impressive from here. Way better than the visitor center.
Oh look, the sun's starting to come over